Hello student, today I will discuss about math number 5. So this is the line and this is the triangle. And this angle is x, this angle is y. This is 65 degree. B. This one angle C, 45 degree. Name is given, this one A, D and this one E. So you have to find out x and y. What is given? Given D parallel to BC. This is given D parallel to BC and angle DAB. This is given. All right. Now look at this is D and this is BC. Now this line, suppose this line is a transversal. So this one is 45 degree. So what is the value of y? So y equal to 45 degree. Why? Because they are alternate angle. They are alternate angle. And are equal. So this one is done. Now again I draw the same parallel lines. This one is DE, this one BC, but now the transversal is changed. This one 65 degree. So what is the value of x? So again you see that this is alternate angle. So angle x equal to 65 degree. They are alternate angle. They are alternate angle. And are equal. So next math I will do for you. Math number 6. This is a triangle and there is angle formed here 35 degree. 35 degree. This one is 80 degree. Name is given A, B, C. This one E. This one D. Now you have to find out what is given C parallel to BA. C parallel to BA. So C parallel to BA. Whenever C parallel to BA and AC transversal. AC transversal. So angle BAC equal to angle ACE equal to 80 degree. What type of angle are they? They are alternate angle. And they are equal. So Angle, this angle you can find out now 80 degree. Now angle ACE, angle ACB, angle ABC. Three angles are now I have to find out. ACE. Second one, angle ACB. ACB. A third one, angle ABC. ABC. Now ACE already find out because it is come 80. Now find out angle ACD. ACD is sum of ACE plus ECD. ECD is given 35. So now add it 80 plus 35. So how much do you get? 115 degree. Now look at angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to how much? 180 degree. Because look at in this way the angular form. This angle and this angle. Sum is, this is angle C, ACB, and this angle ACD. ACB, this one ACD. So in this way the angles are formed. So sum is always come 180 degree, you know it. Sum is always come. Angles on a line is come 180 degree. So ACD is find out 115. So find out ACB. ACB plus ACD is 115 equal to 180. Now therefore ACD equal to 180 minus 115. So find it out. 65 degree. So ACD find out. ACD not ACB. ACB find out. So ACB find out. ACE find out. ABC. ABC you know. From triangle ABC, sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to come 180 degree. So now angle A 80. So put 80 degree plus angle B. Angle B you have to find out. So write angle B plus angle C. Angle C you get 65. So write 65 equal to 180 degree. So now angle B equal to 180 degree minus 80 plus 65 degree. So 180 minus 5, 145. degree. So 35 degree is the angle. So in this way you can do the math. It's very easy math. Do it. Next math number 7. So math number 7, in the adjoining figure it is given that AO parallel to CD and OB parallel to CE. Find AOB and AOB is 50 degree. Find ECD. So this is the math. First you draw the diagram. So this is the math. Now find ECD. What is given? Given AO parallel to CD. Second one OB parallel to C. It is given an angle ECD. Angle AOB. Angle AOB equal to 50 degree. So these are the matter given. You have to find out ECD. ECD. So this angle you have to find out. Angle ECD. How much? So AO parallel to CD, right? AO parallel to CD. AO parallel to CD and OB transversal. OB transversal. So angle AOD equal to angle CDB equal to 50 degree. This angle also come 50 degree because this line parallel to this line and this is transversal. This angle are corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Now OB parallel to C. So OB parallel to C. Now write OB parallel to C. So this line parallel to this line and this is also transversal. So this angle and this angle sum is come 180 and CD is transversal. So angle ECD plus angle CDB equal to 180. Back and write it allied angle and sum equal to 180 degree. Sum of those two angles is 180 degree. Now write it EC, you have to find out ECD. So ECD, unchange it. Now CDB 50 degree. So 50 equal to 180. Now angle ECD equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree equal to 130 degree. So this is the answer. Now next math number 8. This is O. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is 40 degree. Now this is AB, AB parallel to CD. It is given AB parallel to CD. So given, first write given AB parallel to CD. Angle ABO, angle ABO also given equal to 50 degree. So write 50 degree angle CDO. CDO equal to 40 degree. So find out angle BOD. So BOD you have to find out. First you draw a line which passes through O. Suppose this line name PQ. Now you find out AB parallel to PQ, because you have to draw in such a way so that AB parallel to PQ come. Now AB parallel to PQ, so angle AB, this angle equal to this angle, so angle ABO equal to angle BOQ. ABO angle equal to BOQ, so equal to 50 degree come. So this angle come 50 degree. Now next, CD parallel to PQ and OD transversal. So angle CDO, your angle QOD equal to, look at, this is 40 degree. 40 degree come. They are alternate angle. They are alternate angle. In this case, this is also alternate. Now you find out angle BOD equal to sum of angle BOQ plus angle DOQ. So find out 50 plus 40 degree equal to 90 degree. So this is the answer. So do in this way. Alright student, next day I will meet with you with new problems. Thank you.